Okay. So unit 14. So you can reduce it with appositive, okay, double commas, and also do you still remember participles? Do you still remember active and passive participles? This one, the one active participles and passive participles. For the active one, you still remember we use ing, right? And then the passive one, we use ed, okay? Or the third form, okay? Third form of verb, okay? This one, okay? Okay. Passive participle, third form of verb, okay? Now let's see reduce adjective clauses. Now let's see how do we reduce adjective clauses. Oke, jadi kita lihat dulu yang A ya, bagaimana kita memampatkan. Reduce itu kan artinya dari panjang memampatkan ya. Oke, let's see. First, an adjective clause can be reduced to a phrase when the subject of the clause is the antecedent. Oke, di sini yang koma itu ya, the comma like appositive. Okay, a reduced adjective clause usually comes right after the antecedent. Okay, an adjective clause can be reduced to a phrase by omitting the relative pronoun and the main verb be. Nah, jadi kan kalau kita masih ingat ya yang kemarin pakai which is, who is ya, yang kemarin kita pakai which, who, who's that, itu kan kita pakai which is ya, lalu kita bisa omit ya, we can omit. Omit itu dihilangkan ya, we can omit, we can delete, we can erase, which is into appositive ya. Jakarta, which is the capital city of Indonesia, has places of interest. Okay. Or we can omit it. We can simply delete it. Jakarta, comma, the capital city of Indonesia has places of interest. Okay. The meaning is still the same. Okay. So the meaning is still the same even though you omit which is, oke? Jadi walaupun kalian hapus which is-nya, artinya tetap sama ya, karena yang di tengah koma ini namanya positif ya, digunakan untuk menerangkan subjek ya, subject. Next we have the second example. Mr. Langdon, who is kind and generous, has been supporting his orphan nephew. Mr. Langdon, kind and generous, has been supporting his orphan nephew. You can also delete this one, omit this one, just say kind and generous. You can simply just say the adjective, okay? Baik dan dermawan ya, cuma ditulis kata sifatnya saja sudah betul ya. And then the third part is the park that is nearby her house is very beautiful. Or you can just simply omit this one, the park nearby her house is very beautiful. Ya, jadi di sini itu untuk menerangkan letak ya, preposition, the preposition of the park. Oke. Jadi preposisi di mana sih rumahnya? Oh, ternyata dekat taman ya. Di mana sih letak tamannya? Oh, ternyata dekat dengan rumahnya, seperti itu ya. Or we can omit ya, we can omit the relative pronoun and changing the main verb into a present participle to express the active meaning, or into a past participle to express passive meaning yang tadi seperti Miss sudah bilang ya. Jadi kita bisa hilangkan atau kita bisa ganti ya main verbnya dengan ing ya, present participle yang ing tadi untuk aktif dan past untuk passive. Contohnya seperti ini. The book that was left on the table belongs to my brother. The book left on the table belongs to my brother. Jadi left di sini adalah past participle atau bentuk ketiga dari leave ya, untuk menerangkan pasif ya. Jadi kan artinya yang ini. Buku yang ditinggalkan di atas meja itu milik kakakku ya. Buku yang ditinggalkan di atas meja itu milik kakakku ya. And then we have the second one. She teaches all the children who are now playing in the garden. She teaches all the children now playing in the garden. Oke, jadi now playing di sini bukan verb ya, diingatnya adalah adjective untuk menerangkan children, ya, yang sedang bermain, ya, playing di sini aktif, ya, yang sedang bermain. Siapa sih yang sedang bermain? Oh, children, ya. Remember, ya, mohon diingat seperti yang sudah Miss Amel jelaskan pertemuan lalu, last session. To explain, okay, to explain or modify, you have to write it next to the noun. Jadi diingat ya, kalau mau nulis itu harus sebelahan dengan nounnya yang menjelaskannya. Jakarta, Mr. Langdon, the park, the book, the children. Oke, jadi di sini yang jelaskan now play in the garden itu bukan she, ya, bukan she, tapi yang menjelaskan play in the garden ini siapa sih? Oh, ternyata anak-anaknya, ya. Oke. Nah, kita coba yang ketiga ya sekarang. Wait, this is adverb clauses. No, we're still in adjective clauses. Okay, omitting the relative pronoun and changing the main verb into an infinitive phrase. Okay, jadi selain mengubahnya ya, selain mengubah dari relative pronoun menjadi present participle atau past participle, we can also change the main verb into an infinitive. Infinitive itu yang to itu ya, to plus basic verb. Okay. The next step which we can do is implement the new policy. The next step to do is implement the new policy. Nah, kita bisa ganti which we can do atau which we can do atau which we can dengan nih ya, to do. Ya. Oke. Sekarang misalnya coba kasih contoh untuk nomor 3 ya. Coba apakah kalian bisa kasih atau bisa kalian ubah. Coba untuk misalnya kasih contoh nomor 3 ya. I will give you the third another example of number 3. Try to change it into an infinitive phrase just like this example. Okay? So Miss Amel will write it here and you can try to answer it on the chat box. Okay? Okay, so can you try to change this? Okay, try to change my example into infinitive. Okay, jadi coba kalian ganti ini ya. Jadi which is-nya kalian hapus ya. Kalian coba ganti seperti ini. You can write your answer on the chat box. Please write it on the chat box. Okay. Silahkan ditulis jawabannya di chat box. Bagaimana kalian mengubah? How do you change the new invention which is very useful belongs to the British Museum? Dicoba ya. Okay, anyone? Anyone can try? Anyone do you want to try? Ada yang mau coba mungkin? Can.
Pretty hard.
Quite hard. Okay, so let me try to change it. Bagaimana kalau coba Miss Amel coba ya? Miss Amel akan coba ganti ya. Okay. I will try to change it then. This is difficult. Oops. Okay, how about you try this one? Okay, the academic office, which was destroyed, is next to the dean's office. Still a bit difficult?
The dean office is next to the academic office, which was destroyed.
So you just put it in the front, Brian. Okay, so it's actually you just need to change it to infinitive, but it's okay. Later Miss Amel will give you the answer later, okay? But now let's move on first, okay? Let's move on first. We can see that there are other examples, okay? Okay, so now we move on to the adverb clauses. If you still remember adverb clauses of time, reason, place, yeah, whenever, whatever, since, as, because, okay? An adverb clause can be reduced to an adverbial phrase when the subject of the clause is also the subject of the main clause, okay? While he was in college, okay, he lost both his parents in a car accident. Okay, while in college, he lost both his parents in a car accident. Jadi, kalian bisa hilangkan subjeknya jika dia juga menjadi subjek di main clause-nya. Oke, jadi kalian bisa hilangkan ini jika dia juga jadi subjek. Ya, ini kan sama. This is same, he and he. Ya, jadi bisa kalian hilangkan, ini tetap artinya tetap sama, ya. When he is under threat, man reverts easily to his primitive past. When under threat, man reverts easily to his primitive past. The same, okay? Jadi he di sini subjeknya adalah he, di sini subjeknya juga man, ya. So it's the same. So you can omit this, you can erase this because it's simply the same, okay? Because it's still explaining about the man, okay? Or yeah, we can change, okay? We can change the subject, okay? Omitting the subject, okay? We can reduce, we can erase the subject and change the verb into like strategy, like example number 2 in reduce adjective clauses. Change it into present participle to express active meaning or past participle to express passive meaning. Okay, jadi bisa diganti yang ing atau form ketiga past participle. This is the example. They haven't spoken a word since they left the party. Sejak mereka meninggalkan pesta. They haven't spoken a word since leaving the party. Okay, leaving the party. Oke, jadi leaving the party untuk menggantikan they left. Kenapa pakai leaving? Karena ini aktif, ya. Next, once he was convinced, he took the necessary steps. Once convinced, he took the necessary steps. Oke, jadi setelah diyakinkan, dia mengambil langkah-langkah penting. Ya, jadi convince di sini untuk menunjukkan kalimat pasif. Ini kan artinya setelah dia diyakinkan ya, kalimat pasif. Okay? The position of reduced adverb clause. Jadi yang dimampatkan itu ada diurangi itu bisa berada di can be at the beginning, at the end, or after the subject, depending on the focus. Oke, jadi adverb clause-nya itu bisa ditaruh di awal kalimat atau di akhir kalimat atau setelah subjek, tergantung kalian fokusnya di mana, ya. For example, this one, Ben watched her while pretending not to. Ya, this is at the end. Okay, at the end of the sentence. After having been trained for a certain period of time, a dolphin can do many things. This is at the beginning. Yeah. Anna when doing house chores always whistles some songs, okay? And this is in the middle, okay? This is in the middle, okay. With reduced adverb clauses of reason, the subordinate conjunction is usually omitted. Oh, subordinate conjunction, okay. Pauline decided not to go out with John because she was angered by his remarks. Okay, angered by his remarks, Pauline decided not to go out with John. Jadi diingat-ingat ya, biasanya sih kalau ditaruh tengah ya, tidak pakai koma ya. Nah, kalau ditaruh depan ya, ini langsung aja ketika kalian omit konektorisnya itu, kalian langsung saja kasih alasannya. Angered by his remarks, koma, Pauline decided not to go out with John. Okay. Or we have this. Pauline decided not to go out with John, angered by his remarks. Pauline angered by John's. Oke, jadi biasanya kalau sudah ada konektor atau conjunctionnya biasanya nggak pakai koma. Tapi kalau dihapus, because coba lihat contohnya ya, 1, 2, 3. Coba kalian lihat contohnya number 1, 2, and 3. If there is no conjunction, you need to put comma. Okay, if it is at the front, comma. This is comma, and this is comma. Adverb clauses of place are usually not reduced. Okay, biasanya untuk adverb clauses of place ya, tempat itu dia nggak dikurang, tidak dimampatkan ya, sama aja seperti kemarin ya contohnya from unit 13. Okay, next we have reduced noun clauses. Nah, yang kemarin ya from WH questions, and it should be statement not questions ya. Yang kemarin itu kan harus pernyataan bukan pertanyaan ya. A noun clause derived from a WH question can be reduced to a phrase by omitting the subject and changing the main verb into an infinitive ya. Jadi kalau untuk WH itu bisa kalian hapus subjeknya. You can omit or erase the subject and change the verb into infinitive. Jadi main verbnya diganti to plus basic verb. For example, I have forgotten which road I should take. You can change it like this. I have forgotten which road to take. Right? Next, main verbnya ya yang diganti, bukan WH-nya. Ya, diingat-ingat. Let's try again. They could not decide where they should put the furniture. They could not decide where to put the furniture. Okay, so after this, okay, after the noun clause connector, look at this one and then check, okay, then omit the main verb, change it to this one, to put, okay, just delete they and should, okay. How we do it is the question. How to do it is the question. So you simply delete, okay, simply erase the subject and add to. Oke, jadi dihapus subjeknya diganti dengan to. Oke. Nah, sekarang mungkin kita ada strategi, mungkin more. Then we have strategies here. And how many strategies do we have? Okay, there are only 2. So now how about let's try. Oke, kita coba sekarang ya. Okay, use the present participle when the meaning is active and the past participle when the meaning is passive in reduced adjective and adverbial clauses. Sorry. So for strategy 1, you need to check, okay, underline the participles and circle the 7. Decide which ones are wrong. Oke, jadi kalian lihat ya underline participenya ya. Jadi di garis bawahi, nanti misalnya akan garis bawahi yang participenya menurut kalian ya, lalu circle di antecedent, oke? Antecedent itu yang frasa selanjutnya ya, oke? Jadi noun-nya ya, noun yang digunakan untuk menjelaskan adjective and adverbial clauses itu ya. Sekarang kita coba dulu ya. Oke, let's start with the first one. Okay, let's start with the first one. Wait a second. Okay. Right, let's see. Number one, when placing in the dark, plants will not produce flowers. So for number one, can I have Fajar?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so which one is the participles? Participles yang diingat ya, tadi ada present sama past. Yang present itu yang bentuk ing, yang past bentuknya id atau bentuk ketiga. When placing in the dark, plants will not produce flowers. Placing, placing ya, jadi hanya placing. Lalu, and then which one is the antecedent? Antecedent itu noun yang digunakan untuk menjelaskan when placing in the dark. Yang mana? Which one? Plants, okay. So, I want you to pay attention to, wait, oh, circle, sorry. So, I want you to pay attention to the sentence here, Fajar. Is it correct or not? Diingat ya, bentuk ing itu untuk aktif, yang bentuk ketiga itu untuk pasif.
Not correct. Yes.
Okay, so is it correct, Fajar?
Correct, miss.
Okay, so it's already correct or not? Sorry.
Correct.
So it's already, sorry, it's incorrect. Okay, so it's not placing but place. Okay, placed. Yeah, when placed in the dark, plants will not produce flowers. Kalau placing kan ketika menempatkan, ya, ketika menempatkan di gelap. Kalau place kan ditempatkan, ya, ketika ditempatkan di tempat gelap, ya, tanaman tidak akan memproduksi bunga, ya. Next, Fajar, you can choose your friend for number 2.
Dwi.
Okay, Rizal. Number 2, Rizal. So, which one is the participles?
Sitting.
Sitting, okay. And then which one is the antecedent? Jadi kalau baca antecedent itu jangan bingung, itu sebenarnya noun yang menjelaskan clause-nya itu yang mana?
The artist.
The artist, okay. Sitting in the audience, the artist was speechless when the MC called his name. Okay, so is it correct or not?
Incorrect, miss.
Which one?
Sitting becomes apa? Duanya, miss. Sit.
Sat, didudukan atau duduk? Duduk itu kalau coba dibayangin, duduk itu aktif atau pasif? Jadi kan artisnya itu duduk ya. Jadi dia duduk itu aktif atau pasif?
Ini pasif, miss.
Jadi didudukan gitu ya.
Ini aktif, sitting aktif, miss.
Active, okay. So it's already correct.
Oh, correct.
It's already correct actually.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because you said ya, tadi kan Rizal bilang kalau yang duduk di antara penonton itu kan artisnya, ya kan? Kalau duduk di antara penonton kan berarti senimannya itu sendiri yang duduk, ya. Berarti kan dia aktif, ya. Kalimatnya sudah aktif, ya. Oke. Okay, so Rizal, you can choose your friend for number 3.
Sulaiman, miss.
Sulaiman. Okay, Sulaiman. Okay, Sulaiman, which one is the participles?
The participle is having.
Having, okay. And then which one is the antecedent?
Antecedent is my father.
My father, okay. Having married late, my father was 40 when I was born. Okay, so is it correct or not?
The artist.
It's incorrect.
Are you sure? Having married late, my father was 40 when I was born. So having here is active.
Active. Oh
Active.
yeah. It's already correct, Miss.
It's already correct. So remember, ya. Jadi gini, I will give you like a bit of a tip. So if you want to decide, okay, whether the participles will be in active or passive, okay. Jadi mau aktif atau pasif, mungkin kalian bisa lihat gini. Ketika kalian sudah tahu, oh ini participle-nya yang ini, antecedent-nya yang ini, kalian perhatikan antecedent-nya atau noun-nya. Biasanya, usually, okay, biasanya ya, ini misalnya pakai kata biasanya, kalau noun-nya yang dijelaskan sama participle itu human, biasanya kalau manusia biasanya ya, itu dia aktif karena dia yang melakukan. Tapi kalau pasif seperti nomor 1 itu biasanya pasif. Ya, kenapa pasif? Karena biasanya kalau benda mati kan orang yang menggerakkan, ya. Jadi dia pasif tidak bergerak, ya. Tapi itu biasanya nggak selalu, ya. Tapi kalau kalian lihat biasanya itu kalau human, kalau subjeknya human itu biasanya pakai aktif. Sedangkan kalau subjeknya itu benda, ya, a thing like plants, car, animals. It also depends actually. Kalau binatang or animals, it depends ya, karena terkadang animals itu kan bisa melakukan hal sendiri. Misal contoh kayak apa? Misal flying high, for example, flying high, the condor bird ya. Mungkin masih ingat kemarin review ya, kita ngomongin tentang burung condor. The condor bird can fly up to 1,000 meters, for example. Nah, flying high di situ kan sudah betul, karena apa yang terbang kan memang burungnya, ya. Kalau hewan itu masih ini ya, masih tergantung, masih 50-50. Ini juga misalnya kasih tips juga masih 50-50 ya. Karena apa? Tidak semuanya ya, tidak semuanya. Contohnya seperti nomor 4 ini. Nanti why is it back to number 1? So it's actually number 4. So Sulaiman, can you choose your friend now? For number 4, James. Bisa dipilih ya Sulaiman temannya.
Hamid, Miss.
Hamid. Okay, Hamid, are you there? Hello, Hamid. Hello, Hamid. I think Hamid is
Reza.
Reza. Okay, Reza, are you there?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so how about number? It's actually number 4. Sorry. How about number 4? James always pretends to be surprised whenever scolding. So which one is the participles?
Surprise. Okay.
Scolding actually, yeah, scolding. Okay, next, which one, the antecedent or the noun that is being modified? Yang noun yang menjelaskan scoldingnya itu?
To be. To be.
The noun ya. To be kan verb.
Right.
James. Yeah.
Oh, James. Yeah.
James. Okay. James always pretends to be surprised whenever scolding. Scolding itu memarahi artinya. Is it correct or not? James always pretends to be surprised whenever scolding or scolded. Scolding. Jadi yang marah James-nya ini. Jadi James selalu berpura-pura terkejut ketika memarahi. Memarahi atau dimarahi?
Memarahi.
Ketika memarahi atau dimarahi lebih tepatnya. Kalau yang lain gimana? What do you think? James always pretends to be surprised whenever scolding. Scolding itu dia memarahi. Lebih tepatnya scolding atau scolding?
Scolding.
Scolding atau scolded? Scolding itu
Scolded.
scolding itu memarahi, scolded itu dimarahi, ya.
Scolded.
Lebih tepatnya mana kira?
Scolded.
Scolded. Oke, so it's actually scolded. Oke, ketika dia dimarahi, ya. Jadi nomor 4 ini itu singkatan dari whenever he is scolded. Oke, ketika dia dimarahi, ya. Jadi ini kurang tepat ya. Kita ganti scolding dengan scolded. Oke, ini misalnya hapus dulu scoldingnya. Oke, nah di sini. Oke, Reza, can you choose your friend now for the last number?
Bagas, Miss.
Bagas, oke.
Yes, Miss. The passenger taken Pan Am should proceed to gate 3.
Okay, so which one is the participle?
Taken.
Taken. Okay, which one is the antecedent?
The passenger.
The passengers. Correct. The
Oh, the passenger.
The passengers taken Pan Am should proceed to gate 3. So is it correct or not? Okay, taken or taking?
Passengers.
Pan Am itu kayak Lion Air, kayak apa sih? Taken or taking?
Taking, I think it's taking.
Taking, very good. Jadi, so we change this with taking because ya, taken Pan Am itu artinya diambil, ya. Taking di sini bukan artinya kalau take kan mengambil ya, tapi kalau di sini taking Pan Am itu maksudnya menaiki ya, ya menaiki Pan Am.
Boarding.
Boarding ya, kayak boarding. Kalau taken itu kan kayak di boarding seperti itu ya. Okay, so before Miss Amel continue with strategy 2, do you have any questions with this? With this first, okay? Using passive or active. Jadi gini, kalau biasanya Miss Amel, I usually translate it first on my head. Okay, jadi kalau Miss Amel mau menentukan, if I want to decide, oh, if this sentence or if this clause, does this clause use active or passive? Before I decide, I usually translate it first into my head with Indonesian. It's okay. Jadi kalian kalau misal mau mengganti atau mau memutuskan, oh ini pakai taking atau taken ya, pakai scolding atau scolded, nggak apa-apa. Kalian translate dulu sendiri di kepala kalian ya, di pikiran kalian ya. So pakai lebih enaknya pakai aktif atau pakai pasif ya, seperti itu. Nah, sekarang kita coba. Now, let's see our strategies, the sample item. Can I delete this one? Can I clear the drawings first? So, misalnya hapus dulu ya. Okay. Okay, now let's see the sample item 1. Mostly by the gypsies in Andalusia, a flamenco dance includes many different kinds of dances. Okay, perform. Okay, perform mostly by the gypsies. So we need past participle ya. Perform itu yang ditampilkan ya, ditampilkan oleh para gypsy. Jadi kenapa di sini? Karena participenya adalah yang ini, ya perform. Noun-nya adalah yang which one is the noun, the antecedent. To describe, to modify this one. Jadi yang antecedentnya yang mana? Which one? Which one is the antecedent?
Andalusia.
Not Andalusia.
Flamenco.
Flamenco.
Very good. A flamenco dance. Okay. So as you can see here, a flamenco dance atau tarian flamenco ya, kan tidak bisa tarian flamenco namanya ya, seperti itu, includes many different kinds of dances. Okay, so I guess we can continue to strategy 2 ya.
580
Iku wis kelas tuh expert 580.
Kamu
Okay, now let's move on to the second strategy. Okay, use correct subordinate conjunctions, introduce adverbial clauses, and correct introductory words, introduce noun clauses. Okay, let's see. Number one, I will tell you how to do in such an emergency situation. Okay, I will tell you how to do. Okay, underline the reduced clauses. Okay, so number one, I will tell you first. Okay, number one will give you the example. Okay, nanti nomor dua bisa yang selanjutnya ya. So number one, underline the reduced clauses. Okay, the reduced clauses is this. To do in such an emergency situation, the conjunction is this one. How? Okay. And this sentence is incorrect. Okay, because I will tell you bukan, so we do not use how, but we use what. Okay, I will tell you what to do in such an emergency situation. Okay, people usually use what instead of how in an emergency situation because it's much faster than how. If you use how, it means you need to listen to the process, and it means it will be really, really long. Okay, to listen to it. Okay, so now let's move on with number two. So can I have Bagas, please choose your friend to answer number two. No, Bagas? Is Bagas here? Okay, then I think Miss Amel will choose. Can I have Rizal Fatur? Can you answer number two?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so which one is the reduced clauses?
I think he couldn't do it.
Realizing he couldn't do it.
Realizing he couldn't do it.
Which one is the conjunction?
Before.
Before, correct. Before realizing he couldn't do it, he asked for help. Is it correct or not? Coba diperhatikan conjunctionnya sudah betul atau belum. Before realizing he couldn't do it, he asked for help. Sebelum dia menyadari kalau dia tidak bisa melakukannya, dia minta tolong, ya.
If incorrect.
So,
after realizing
he couldn't do it, he asked for help.
Yes.
Like that?
Yes.
Okay. All right, good. After, okay, after realizing, okay, after realizing he couldn't do it, he asked for help. Okay, thank you, Rizal. Can you choose your friend now?
Yes, we'll choose Aulia.
Aulia, okay. Aulia?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Which one is the reduced clauses? To serve properly? Sorry, to serve properly?
Yeah.
Okay, and then which one is the conjunction?
Why?
Why? Okay, so is it correct or not? The new waiter needed training in why to serve properly. Is it correct or not, Alia? Is it the correct WH question? Incorrect? Correct. How do you change it? In? How? Okay, very good. In how to serve properly. Okay, so as you can see it from the sentence, using how is much more appropriate, sorry, because when you see a waiter, they know how to serve properly, or not why to serve properly. They do not need reason actually. Okay, thank you, Aulia. You can choose your friend now to answer number 4.
Maulana.
Who? Sorry,
Maulana.
Maulana. Okay, Maulana. Okay, hello, Maulana. Is Maulana there? Okay. How about Brian, number 4?
Yes, the food when arranged on plates should be attractive.
Okay, which one is the clauses, the reduced clauses?
Arrange on plate.
Arrange on a plate. Okay, arrange on a plate. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so arrange on a plate, and then which one is the conjunction?
When.
When. Okay, the food when arranged on a plate should be attractive. Is it correct or not?
I think it's incorrect, Miss.
How do you change it?
That when the change with that.
That arranged on a plate. Is it correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. Good. When or that. Okay. That arranged on a plate should be attractive. Okay. Next, Ryan, you can choose your friend for number 5.
Alvinda lah, iya.
Okay. Alvinda, are you there? Alvinda? Alvinda, can you hear me? Okay, how about others, Brian? I think Alvinda is still.
Okay. Others. Reza.
Reza, okay. Reza, are you there?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now let's see number 5. Although taking a physical exam, the applicants must return the completed medical form. So which one is the reduced clauses?
Taking a physical exam.
Okay, very good. Oh, sorry. Taking a physical exam, which one is the conjunction?
Taking.
Before taking? Although, okay. Although taking a physical exam, the applicants must return the completed medical form. Is it already correct or not? Is it already correct conjunctions or not?
Incorrect, I think.
Okay, so it should be, how do we change it?
After.
After, very good. After taking a physical exam, the applicants must return the completed medical form. Oke, jadi setelah melakukan ya tes fisik ya, para pendaftar harus mengembalikan ya formulir kesehatan yang telah diisi ya, yang telah diisi. Oke, any questions about this? Ada pertanyaan mungkin yang ini, untuk yang ini? Not yet?
No
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Not yet, Miss.
All right. I will clear it first. I will clear all drawings first. Okay. And then do we go into the? Okay. Now let's see the sample item here. In a classroom where lessons are given via closed circuit television, the teacher should clearly tell the students what to do. Okay. What? Okay. Jadi apa yang harus dilakukan? Ya. So clearly tell the students what to do. Nah, biasanya kalau tell itu biasanya pakai what. Kalau how itu biasanya explain, ya, explain the students how to do it, ya. Jadi kalau how itu biasanya lebih kompleks daripada what. Kalau what kan cuma apa sih harus dilakukan, misal Miss, what should we do, for example. Do exercise 1. Oke, nah misalnya kan hanya memberikan apa yang harus kalian lakukan. Do exercise 1. But then if you ask me, Miss, how to do it? Ya, just circle. Oke, jadi Miss gimana sih cara mengerjakannya ya? If you ask that, misalnya we give you circle or turn on your Zoom annotation, circle the correct answer, A, B, C, or D, or turn on the chat and answer it on the chat box. Oke, jadi biasanya kalau proses itu tidak hanya tidak hanya aja satu kalimat ya, not only one sentence, but it's like tips, like a procedure. Jadi biasanya ada prosedur, misalnya ada steps. Biasanya ada steps-nya ya. There are usually steps 1 until 3 steps. Biasanya seperti itu kalau how ya. Okay, so we have exercise here. How many exercises are there? 10. Okay, so I want you to do exercise 1 and exercise 2 with your friend. Okay, so I will stop share for a while. Okay, right. Okay, now let's start with exercise 1. So can I have, wait, I need to see which one is the, okay, can I have Alvinda? Okay, so let's start from room 1 and then room 2 and then we'll go back. Okay, so Alvinda, number 1, what is your answer with your group? You can read the sentence first and also the answer.
The answer is C.
Can you read the full sentence? A person.
Person may be infected by germs while swimming and diving.
Very good. A person may be infected by germs while swimming and diving. Very good. So we need, okay, we need this, okay, at verb clause of time while swimming and diving. Remember, use ing to show the active, okay, the active meaning. Sedang berenang dan menyelam. Yeah, number 1, very good, is C. I guess later in the end I will ask Rizal Dwi to, you know, kind of sum it up all the answers, okay, for exercise 1 and exercise 2, okay, Rizal. Next, number 2, can I have Aulia? Can you read the full sentence, okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Blah 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 from naturally occurring sugar. Sugar become available easier and are quickly absorbed by the body.
Okay.
Third is refined.
C, very good. Refine from naturally occurring sugar. Okay, very good. Refine yang sudah disaring ya, refine. Number 1. Oh, sorry. Number 1, C. What? I think I scrolled it down a bit. Sorry, number 1 is C, everyone. Yeah, C. And number 2 is also C. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Habibi. Number 1 is supposed to be C, and number 2 is C, refine. We use passive, okay, to show how the sugar is processed. Okay, jadi yang memproses itu kan bukan sugar ya, tapi diproses oleh orang ya. Jadi diproses ya. Number 1 is C, and number 2 is C. I think I will scroll it down first. Okay. So number 3. Now can I have Fajar, number 3?
Yes, please.
Okay.
The level of the fire alarm set a signal to alarm the nearest fire department. Answer is A, when full.
Very good. When pulled, the lever of the fire alarm. Okay. Jadi ketika ditarik ya. Jadi yang A ditarik ya. When pulled ya. And you use pulled, not pulling, karena ketika ditarik ya, bukan menarik. Jadi bukan fire alarmnya itu yang menarik, tapi ditarik sama orang ya. Number 3 is A. Number 4. Okay, so how about number 4? Can I have, after Fajar, can I have Brian? Number 4.
Yes. entirely by its member. A credit union elect its official who often serve without pay.
Mhm,
So I think the answer is B.
mhm.
It is owned entirely by its member. Is it so B?
B. Okay, so right now we talk about reduce clauses. So how do we reduce it? It is owned, dimiliki ya. Jadi bagaimana kalau kita reduce? How do we reduce it for number 4? Jadi gimana kalau dipotong, Brian? Number 4. It is it's actually owned, ya kan? Owned, ya, yang dimiliki, ya, dimiliki semuanya oleh semua member, ya. Jadi kalau kita lihat ada koma di situ, we need the clause, okay, the reduce clauses, okay, owned entirely. Owned entirely by its members, comma. Okay, so number 3 is A, and number 4 is D. Okay, now let's move on to number 5. Okay, number 5. Can I have Hamid? Hamid, number 5, please. Hamid. Okay, if Hamid is still having problem, can I have Sulaiman, number 5?
Yes, miss. Some types of freshwater sunfish, blah blah blah, the black bass are example of fish that hurt as well as blackness. I think the answer is C.
Which one, B or C? Sorry.
C, including.
Including, very good. Including, yeah. So we need to use the present participle itu maksudnya yang termasuk black bass. Okay, very good. Number 5 is C. Now let's move on with number 6. Number 6, can I have Habibi? Number 6, Habibi. Oh, okay, Maulana then. Sorry, Maulana wants to answer number 6 ya, Maulana. Okay, Maulana, number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The evolutionary theories of Charles Darwin also embarked on a detailed physiological conflicts to determine if criminal behavior was determined.
Okay.
I think the answer is responding.
Responding, very good. So we need to use ing or the active one because who responds? Okay, who responds is Lombroso. Okay, jadi Lombroso itu orang ya. Jadi dia itu merespon ya, merespon ke teori Charles Darwin. Okay. Thank you, Maulana, for volunteering. So number 7 now. I think I can have Habibi then for number 7. Yeah. Oh yeah, Habibi, you can use your chat number 7. What do you think? Okay, number 7. Yeah. Okay, very good. After defeating the Scots, Cromwell decided that King Charles I was responsible for renewing the Civil War. Okay, so after defeating, jadi setelah mengalahkan, ya, bukan setelah dikalahkan. Kalau after defeated, ya, itu setelah dikalahkan. Nah, for C and D is incorrect, ya. Jadi untuk jawaban C dan D itu salah karena menggunakan because, ya. Because itu adverb clause of reason. Nah, kalau kita menggunakan because itu harus ada alasannya, ya. Tapi di sini kalau kita lihat sentence yaitu apa yang dilakukan ya setelah mengalahkan Scotland, ya, renewing the Civil War. Okay, so number 5 is C, 6A, 7A. Okay, I think I will clear all drawings and I will move on with number 8, 9, and then 10. Okay, so for number 8, can I have number 8? Can I have Rizal Fatur?
Yes, Miss.
Mhm.
Clematis is any of several deciduous climbing plants or passes to the buttercup family.
Mhm.
Our answer is C, belong.
Belong or belonging? Remember, you cannot put two verbs in one sentence. Clematis is any of several deciduous climbing plants or bushes to the buttercup family. So, which one, Rizal? Is it belonging or belong?
Belonging.
Belonging, actually. Okay, so we cannot put belong because there is actually verb here, is. Okay, yang termasuk ya. Jadi belong itu maksudnya yang termasuk dalam buttercup family ya. Next, can I have after Rizal Fatur? Can I have Rizal Dwi? Number 9.
Blah 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 to Egypt. Cleopatra ruled with her son Ptolemy 7. The answer is D. Return. Return.
Okay. Returned or returning?
Returning.
Returning. Okay, jadi C. Okay, so it's C. Jadi bukan dikembalinya ya, tapi sekembalinya. Ya, sekembalinya ke Egypt. Ya, Cleopatra ya menguasai Mesir bersama anaknya Ptolemy ke-7. Ya. Now let's move on to number 7. Number 7, can I have? Wait, before is Rizal Dwi. Now, next one, can I have Bagas? Number 7. Number 10.
Okay, me. Cleveland, a country, blah blah blah, in northeastern England, has a population of 550 and 100 and cover an area of 583 kilometer. The answer is,
remember, you just need to use ing or ed.
a country is situating in northeast A.
Situating or situated?
S-O, situated.
Situated ya, jadi yang terletak ya. Jadi terletak itu pasif ya. Cleveland, a county situated in northeastern England, has a population of 553,100 and covers an area of 583 kilometer square. Okay, kilometer square. So number 10 is D. Okay, situated. Okay, so that's for exercise 1. Now let's move on to exercise 2. Okay. Later result later you can sum it all up. Okay, jadi nanti kita compile semuanya, nanti kamu compile semuanya dikirim ya, exercise 1 and 2. Okay, now let's move on with exercise 2. Number 1, can I have Reza?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Learning may be defined as a relatively permanent change, result from experience in an organism behavior.
Okay, which one is incorrect?
Relatively.
The incorrect one is anyone? Reza, do you know?
B, I think.
Not B. For this exercise, you need to be careful with the use of ing and ed. Okay, and also some support the conjunctions from adverb clause of reason like because. Yeah. So the incorrect one is anyone? It's not B. Actually, Reza. Perhaps other. It's supposed to be C. Okay.
C.
Not result, but how do we correct it? Resulting. Okay. Resulting. Okay. Jadi learning may be defined as a relatively permanent change resulting ya, resulting from experience. Okay. Yang dihasil. Oh wait, resulting ya. No. Okay. Next, number 2. I think Miss Amel will answer it for you. Where at its closest distance to the sun, okay, a planet is moving at its fastest speed. Okay. Number 2, the incorrect one is
A.
number 2 is A. Okay. Where at its closest distance to the sun, a planet is moving at its fastest speed. So number 2 is incorrect. It's A. How do we correct it?
When?
When. Very good. When. Ketika, ya. Ketika dia dekat dengan matahari, dia bergerak dengan cepat ya. Jadi planet bergerak dengan cepat ya. Number 3, a lighthouse is a structure designing to provide ships with a navigational point of reference by day and by night. Okay, this incorrect one. The incorrect one is this one, designing. So we should change it with
Designed.
designed. Yeah, yang didesign. Okay, design. Okay, number 4, the equipment used in mountain climbing has evolved with the increased popularity of the sport. Okay, the incorrect one. Okay, the incorrect one is D. Okay, everyone. Number 4 is D. It's supposed to be
Increasing.
increasing ya. Jadi untuk ketika popularitasnya meningkat ya. Okay. All right, finish. Have you checked your answers? Okay, I think I will scroll it down. Okay. Okay, let's move on to number 5, 6, 7 until 10. Okay, pine nuts, pine nuts, small edible seeds extracting from the cones of various pine species are eaten worldwide as a flavorful food. So for number 5, the incorrect one is
A.
Very good. A, not extracting, bukan yang mengekstrak, tapi seharusnya
Extracted.
di-extract ya. So we should answer it with extracted. Yeah, with ed. Good. Now let's move on to number 6. The pineapple crowned by a cluster of leaves is a sweet and succulent fruit when it's ripe. Okay. Number 6. Which one is the incorrect one? The incorrect one is D. Okay. So when supposed to be like this. Karena setelah conjunction itu harus ada subjeknya, jangan lupa. Jadi seharusnya seperti when it is, when it is ripe, ya harus ada subjeknya ketika dia matang ya, ripe itu matang. Number 7, foreseen an initial German-Austrian victory over Russia in WW1. Joseph Pilsudski led his legions against Russia, hoping to lay the foundations of a police state. Okay, so number 7, the incorrect one is A. Yeah, it's supposed to be for seeing. Okay, for seeing. Ini karena melihatkan si Josephnya ya, bukan dilihat, melihat ya, for seeing. Okay. Number 8, electing to the parliament in 1735, William Pitt, the most eulogized of all British prime ministers, bitterly opposed Sir Robert Walpole. So the incorrect one is A. Okay, number 8, the incorrect one is A, is supposed to be, how do we change it? Memilih atau dipilih? Yep, elected. Jadi dipilih ya. Dipilih oleh parlemen pada tahun sekian, ya seperti itu ya. Okay, finish. Can I scroll it down, everyone? That's number 5, 6, 7, 8. Can I scroll it down?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Schools for physically handicapped children must teach their students what to become self-reliant in employment by providing computer training. So the incorrect one is number 9 is C. Okay. So as what I've explained before, we need to change it with how. Okay, we need to change it with how. Okay, because it's the process. Okay, the process. Yeah. Next, since gain independence, Singapore has become a major industrial and financial center. Sorry. The incorrect one is this one. Okay. Yep. Bukan didapatkan ya, tapi mendapatkan ya, gaining. Okay, good. So that's it for exercise 1 and 2. So how many did you get it correct, everyone? 20. There are 20 numbers, right? 15 out of 20 or oh, thank you, Rizal. So that's the answer from Rizal. Okay. Okay, you can see it from Rizal on the chat box. That's the answer. Okay, Rizal has compiled it all for you. So exercise 1 and 2, and with the correction. Okay, with the correction. Thank you, Rizal. Okay, so everyone, now I guess we can I clear the drawing first?
Yes.
Okay, I will clear first. So everyone, I want you to, as usual, I guess we have much time. I guess we have much time to play Kahoot. So please take out your smartphone, your cell phone, and go to kahoot.it. Let's play Kahoot. Okay. So there are 13, 12 actually, 12 of you. So I hope that all of you can join. Okay. Okay, here you go, everyone. Okay, that's the game pin. Okay, Hamid. Okay, there are 6 people. Aulia, Rizal Fatur, Ryan Poland, Hamid Habibi, Aulia. Okay, okay. So I think everyone is here, right? Alvinda, can you join? Okay. Oh, who got out? Siapa ini yang keluar? Oh, okay. So who is kelas sebelah? Can you change your name? Okay. All right, I think we can start the game, okay?
Ini saya kekick dari Kahoot-nya.
Oh, okay. Okay, very good. Animals and plants live almost everywhere on the earth because it is just the right distance from the sun. Okay, jadi di sini menunjukkan adverb clause of reason. Okay, not which, ya, not when and not although, of course. Okay, nah kalau pakai when, ya itu ketika. Ya, ketika itu terjadi secara berbarengan, ya. Kalau pakai because itu cause and effect. Nah, kalau which, ya, kalau adjective clause ininya hilang, ya, subjeknya hilang. Okay, next. So who got the first one? Okay, Reza. Which, okay, which, not when, okay, karena which di sini untuk menunjukkan control of muscles, okay, which, okay, okay, good. Oh, Brian. Very good. That burn. Okay, remember, do not use only burn because we already have the verb here. Are. Okay, we cannot put two verbs in one sentence except if you put conjunction like and, but, or, and also paired conjunction. Neither or, either or, both. Okay? Not only but also. Growing, okay, not it grows because remember a positive 2 commas here, okay, 2 commas here, okay, and also not that it grows, okay, because this is, you can reduce it, okay, reduce it, okay. Oh, okay, going up. Okay, because, okay, was considered sacred because it was so essential to the welfare of man. Jadi, api, ya, api dianggap sebagai ini ya, sacred itu suci ya, karena sangat penting untuk kesejahteraan manusia, ya, bukan when, ya. Kalau when itu terjadi bersamaan, ya, itu lebih ke sebab dan akibat, oke. Okay? Number 6, this one choose the incorrect answer. Blow. Okay, pinching the nostril shut when blowing the nose. Okay, may force the germs back into the ears. Okay, nah pinching di sini adalah, pinching nostril ini adalah subjeknya, verbnya adalah shut. Nah ini baru yang clauses tadi, conjunctionnya. Nah ini clausesnya. When blowing, ya, reduce clauses, remember. Okay. Okay, going up, Aulia, bagus. Very good. Oh, only one, not conceded, but this one, to be the most. Okay, remember, yeah, this is review, so I guess we go back to the superlative and comparative. Okay, this is supposed to be the most. Okay, because it's only one daily newspaper in the US. Okay, dan more itu tidak pakai the, yang pakai the hanya yang superlative, ya. So buka the correct one. Oh, Brian, good job. Okay, Brian Poland. Next. Remember the tips, reduce clauses. Very good. Are produced, okay? You do not say are produced, but only produce, okay? Because do not put two verbs here. You need to put like conjunction or only past participle, because in here we already have the verb is, okay? Oh, going up, Habibi, Rizal, and Rizal, okay? Okay, so it's supposed to be radar is an, okay, is an electronic device that can detect objects. Detect is already correct because after can, you should put verb one, okay. Objects hundreds of miles away despite fog, rain, clouds, or darkness. Ya, jadi or ini juga betul karena ada kata despite, ya, walaupun. Okay. Oh, Rizal going up, Aulia going up. This is a bit tricky, but you need to pay attention to the subject for this one. Pay attention to the subject. Okay, it's about her, because Paul Newman is a man. Man. So we should change her into him. Okay, meet him. The podium. All right, nice work. Okay, good job, Brian. Okay, number 4 is Riza. Number 5 is Riza. Nice work, everyone. Okay.
Brian.
Good. So, wait, let me. Okay, so the review is actually like a review from previous previous units. Okay, previous units you have an, and then you have reduced clauses, and then before you have what else? Her, him, right? Her, him. Okay. 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 Oh, wait a second. All right. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining the Kahoot. Okay.